As many of you know, one of my greatest passions is finding new keyword methods to find good keywords on Redbubble, Zazzle, Etsy, etc. And that's exactly what this video is about, and this is an accurate representation of me finding new methods to help you guys find keywords on these websites. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, what is going on? Hamish from Income Stream Surfers here, and I wanted to make a very quick video as a follow-up to all of the videos I've made about Ahrefs and the trial that you can get for $7. And this video is actually going to be about after the trial. The Ahrefs still sends you information every month about the websites that you set as a project. So when I first made my Ahrefs account on here, on Ahrefs, one of the first things I did was I added Redbubble as the project website, and then every month, every week in fact, so once a week, they send me this, which is all of the new keywords for Redbubble. Okay, now I will say now it's not full. You cannot see all of the information because otherwise they would be giving you too much information, but I mean, something that sends you weekly updates on keywords, I mean, that sounds like something that's pretty valuable to me. And I have looked through a lot of these, and some of them are really, really good. And in fact, I am using some of these for my project. Okay, my building a print-on-demand empire. This is just going to be a very, very quick video, but like you can click on here, and you can see how many results it has. Okay, and 175. So it's quite competitive. But I mean, so what? It doesn't mean you can't make a design on it. Sea otter pattern, for example. It's got a decent amount of competition. But this is just something that you'll be sent every week. It's crazy. Like it's so powerful, and it's so unexpected as well. Like I didn't know this existed until I knew it existed. Yeah, so very quick video, guys. If you do make an Ahrefs trial, make sure that you add Redbubble as your website, okay? Because then you will get these, and this will be a really, really strong, way to find some good keywords. And it was updated every month. So you just go to the bottom, you press view entire message here, and then you just look through this and you find any that are good. Okay, really quick video today. So hot crazy scale, I'm actually going to be making one of these for my project that I'm working on. Okay, really quick video. Hope this helps some people. Give a like if it does help, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.